Go to Invoices in the sidebar. Here you can see all your invoices, filter by status, and track what's paid, sent, or overdue. Click New Invoice to create one. This is the invoice form. The invoice number is auto-generated. The issue date is set to today, and the due date is 30 days out by default. You can change both. Now let's pick a customer. Start typing your customer's name. If they're already in the system, select them. If not, click Add New Customer right from here. No need to leave the invoice. Enter the customer's name, email, and phone. Click Save Customer. Done. They're added to your customer list and selected on this invoice automatically. Now add your line items. Enter a description, quantity, rate, and the tax rate. You can also add a discount per item. The amount calculates automatically. Here we have a wooden chair at $135 with 15% GST and a 5% discount. Click Add Line Item to add more. Here we've added a plastic chair, quantity 2, at $90 each, same tax and discount. The subtotal, tax, and total update in real time. This invoice comes to $344.14. You can also add notes, terms and conditions, and a footer that appear on the PDF. Click Preview to see exactly what your customer will receive. Company name, address, line items, discounts, tax breakdown, total, and your payment terms. All formatted and professional. Looking good? Click Save Invoice. Your invoice is saved. From here you have everything you need. Record a payment, edit the invoice, send it by email, duplicate it, preview or download the PDF, print it, or submit it for approval. All in one place. Click Preview PDF, and here's the final document. Your company details at the top, invoice number, dates, line items with quantities, rates, discounts, tax calculations, and the total in words at the bottom. This is what your customer sees. Professional, clean, and ready to send. That's how you create an invoice in Nastrum Books. From start to finish, under 2 minutes. In the next video, I'll show you how to record a payment when your customer pays. Nastrum Books is free forever for solo users. Link in the description. Subscribe for a new tutorial every week.